Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So here we go. It's the AEW Pentagon Jr. figure, and it's also signed by him too. Next one. This one is MJF. Full name is Maxwell Jacob Friedman. And again, his name's on the signatures on the back. This is Hangman Adam Page. This one is former AEW champion Jon Moxley. This is the Natural Dustin Rhodes. And this one is, final figure is Rey Fenix, Zero Miedo. Translates to English to Zero Fear. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. This has been the unboxing of AEW Unrivaled Series 2.